So now this is the very last thing about encapsulation, which is dynamic extension. We see composition. Composition is basically that how the car object was composed of the objects of tire, engine, and body, right? So now let's just move on to the next thing, which is dynamic extension, right? For dynamic extension, it simply means like extension. Like extension means extending something which is already there. Now, for that, let me just copy paste the code for as of now. So supposedly I have a class called dog, and for the dog I have the name of the dog, the year of the birth, and the breed. Okay, so here I'm just printing cell.names in the str method. So I've created an object for the dog. The name is supposedly, let me name it as anything like Jack. So this is Jack 1954 Pitbull. Cool. And now let me say that I have some class called as student, right? Ignore this as of now, right? Don't see this. So I have a class student. In the init method, I have something called as anagraphic, and then I have a student ID, right? So in the so we are returning anagraphic and the student ID, right? So I can make an object elec, right? I can call student in the anagraphics. I can write anything. So I wrote DDD and the student ID is 1. Cool. So as of now, if I ignore these lines which I have commented, right? So if I try to print, so here we printed the object. Here also if I print object, it's simply printing DDD1 and 1. Now what happens is that I have created a class for student. Perfect. But if I talk about dog, dog can also be a student. Now supposedly there, now definitely it would seem funny. Surely it may seem funny. But there are many dog schools as well, right? If they're dog schools, which means that dog is a student over there. Dog will also have the student ID. But in the student, I had anagraphics, right? For the anagraphics, I will have, for the dog, we have name, year of birth, and the breed. So what do I want is that, uh, this through the student class, I should be able to print what are the because these three are the anagraphics of dog: name, year of birth, and breed. So how we will do is that we'll try to create an object of student, like here we'll do K. Anagraphics I'm passing K. K is nothing but the object of dog. And then I'll write the student ID, which is 2. Let's just try and print it. See, it wrote Jack 954 Pitbull 2. So this is what we call as dynamic extension, right? That is, we extended the concept. Now here also we're not doing inheritance. We're not saying that dog is a student, or we are saying the student is a dog. That is not possible, right? So in that manner, like, we always get confused between encapsulation and inheritance, right? It's not the case over here. Inheritance generally comes where there is a clear cut, relation of this is a kind of, when there is a kind of relation. Like we say that Maruti is a kind of car, but we don't say that dog is a kind of student. No, dog is a student. In that case, we try to go for encapsulation. So do you see that how we have extended the class of basically student to dog? This is what we call as, you can say, dynamic extension. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. And with this, we are done with encapsulation. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you feel like. Thank you.